All right, expression of the day. Take a rain check. Like this. Take a rain check. I wish I used this on a rainy day, but I thought about it today. It was super rainy the last few days, right? Anyways, like on a rainy day, sometimes you just don't want to do something, right? So maybe Sujin says to me, hey, let's go to Yoido Park and play football together. I say, I'll take a rain check. I want to do it, but not today. That's what it means. So I can't do it now, but I want to do it next time. Maybe today, I ask the class, hey, let's go to the bar and get a beer together. But we finish at 9:30, maybe you're tired, so you say, thank you, but I'll take a rain check. So maybe next week or on Saturday.
Oh, will take? Should I use that will?
Yes, I'll take, or give me a rain check, or